student. So this video is for class 10th, chapter 1, chemical reaction and equations. Okay, and this is the first chapter of syllabus and first chapter of chemistry. Okay, now see what is a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is a change in which one or more substance or reactant reacted to form a new substance. Okay, a chemical reaction is basically a type of change, okay, in which one or more substance or reactant, we can call the substance or the reactant, both are same, okay, and the two or more substance react to each other and form a new substance. Okay, for example, Na plus H2O gives NaOH plus H2. Okay, here Na is what? Sodium. What is the formula of sodium? Na. Okay, this is the chemical formula of sodium. Okay, so sodium plus H2O is what? Water. Okay, gives NaOH. NaOH is what? Sodium hydroxide, and H2 is hydrogen. Okay, so these two reactant or these two substance, sodium and water, are the two substance react with each other and gives two new substance. Okay, and this all reaction is called the chemical reaction. Now see the left side. Okay, the substance which is present on the left side is called the reactant, and the substance which is present on the right side is called the product. So for this equation, sodium and water are our reactant, okay, and sodium hydroxide and this hydrogen is our products. Okay, so the substance present on the left side of a chemical reaction is called the reactant, and the substance present on the right side of a chemical equation is called the products. Okay, so reactant and products are clear. Now see the next one. A chemical reaction can be identified by the following observation. हम लोग कैसे पता करेंगे कि there is some reaction is taken place, okay, or there is some chemical reaction is taken place. हम लोग कैसे पता करेंगे? Okay, now see, if there is a change in a state. अगर state means what are the states of a matter? सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसेस. ठीक है, तो अगर सपोज कोई चीज़ सॉलिड में है वो लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट हो गई, लिक्विड में गैस में कन्वर्ट हो गई, तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा? देयर इज अ चेंज, देयर इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस. सो इफ देयर इज अ चेंज इन स्टेट, सो केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस. नाउ सी द सेकेंड वन, चेंज इन कलर. ओके, अगर कलर में चेंज होता है, सपोज अगर हम लोग आयरन ले, ठीक है, तो आयरन में जब रस्टिंग हो जाती है, ठीक है, इन द रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन द कलर ऑफ द आयरन इज चेंज. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. ठीक है, तो अगर कलर में भी चेंज हो जाए देन देयर इज सम केमिकल रिएक्शन इज टेकन प्लेस. नाउ सी द थर्ड वन, इवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस. ठीक है, नाउ सी दिस इक्वेशन, इन दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन द हाइड्रोजन गैस इज इवेल्यूएट. दिस इज द साइन ऑफ इवोल्यूशन. Okay, so if there is some evolution of gas, then chemical reaction is taken place. Now see the fourth one, change in temperature. Okay, if there is change in temperature is taken place, so chemical reaction is done. Now formation of precipitate. Precipitate means किसी भी chemical equation में अगर लास्ट में कुछ हमको मिलता है या कुछ ऐसा सब्सटेंस अगर लास्ट में कुछ बच जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेसिपिटेट. ओके, तो अगर वैसा कुछ हमको मिल रहा है तो क्या होगा? वहाँ पे केमिकल रिएक्शन टेकन प्लेस देयर. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन, केमिकल इक्वेशन. ओके, सो दैट्स द कंडीशन फॉर अ chemical reaction is taken place. Now our next topic is chemical equations. Now see what is chemical equations. Okay, the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction is called chemical equation. कोई भी chemical reaction अगर हो रहा है then if you if you represent that chemical reaction in the form of some symbolic representation, so that symbolic representation is called the chemical equation. Okay, for example, see, reaction of burning of methane gas. What is the formula of methane? CH4. What is the formula of ethane? C2H6. Methane, ethane, propane is C3H8. Butane is C4H10. Pentane will be C5H12. Okay, so reaction of burning of methane gas, this gas, ठीक है, burning of methane gas is a chemical reaction. Why? Because there is some change in temperature is taking place. Okay, तो अगर change in temperature हो रहा है, so that is a chemical reaction. In the burning process there is some change in temperature is taking place. Okay, now see what is the reaction, methane plus oxygen. अब हम लोग ऑक्सीजन गैस ही क्यों लिए? बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन गैस इज हेल्प इन बर्निंग. ठीक है, कोई भी चीज़ अगर बर्न होती है तो उसमें कौन सी गैस हेल्प करती है? ऑक्सीजन गैस. कि विदाउट ऑक्सीजन देयर इज द बर्निंग प्रोसेस कैन नॉट टेक इन प्लेस. ओके, सो अगर कोई भी चीज़ बर्न हो रही है तो वो मतलब वो किसके साथ रिएक्ट करेगी? विद ऑक्सीजन ओनली. Okay, so see the reaction of burning of methane. Methane plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide and water. Okay, this is carbon dioxide and this is water. And how we will write this reaction? Like this. Methane, what is the symbolic representation of methane? CH4. And this is what? Methane gas. Okay, so for gas we will write this small g in bracket. Okay, oxygen, this bracket one is for the state of this. ठीक है, अगर ये यहाँ पे गैस लिखा है तो गैस क्या बताते हैं? द स्टेट ऑफ CH4. इट मीन्स इट्स अ गैस, मीथेन गैस. ओके, what is the formula of oxygen? O2. It is again in the form of gas. Oxygen is a gas. Okay, carbon dioxide, again carbon dioxide is gas. And H2 is gas? No, it is in liquid form. Okay, so see, this is the reaction and this is the symbolic representation of this reaction. Okay, so this symbolic representation is called the chemical equation. This is our chemical equation. Now our next topic is balancing a chemical equation. Balancing of chemical equation means the left side contain and the right side contain. The left side contain and the right side contain should be balanced. Balanced means अगर यहाँ पे 2 ऑक्सीजन present है then it will be 2 oxygen. Okay, 2 molecules of oxygen. Now see, this equation is balanced or not. First we will see how many substances are present here, how many elements are present here. Okay, first element is carbon, second is hydrogen, and third is oxygen. Okay, so 3 elements are present here: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Now see, carbon is balanced or not. Here only 1 carbon is present. Okay, in the reactant side, and see in the product side 1 carbon is present. Okay, so carbon is balanced. Okay, now see about hydrogen. Here 4 hydrogen is present and here it is only 2 hydrogen is present. Okay, so here 4 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen is present, so hydrogen is not balanced. Okay, so here hydrogen is not balanced. So how we will balance it? Write a 2 here. ठीक है, एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना, कोई भी चीज़ अगर हम लोग लिखेंगे तो वो यहीं पे लिखेंगे, सामने ही लिखेंगे, इन फ्रंट ऑफ द एलिमेंट. ओके, इसको हम लोग कभी भी चेंज नहीं करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि अगर यहाँ पे ओ सिंगल है तो हम लोग यहाँ पे 2 या 3 लगा दिए. नो, दैट्स नॉट करेक्ट. ओके, वी विल राइट इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द एलिमेंट ओनली. ओके, सो सी, नाउ सी. ओके, so now here it is 4 hydrogen and it's 4 hydrogen. Now see the oxygen. Here 2 oxygen is present and here 2 oxygen is here and 2 oxygen is here. So total 4 oxygen is present in the product side and here only 2 oxygen is present. So इसको 4 बनाने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे एक 2 लगा देंगे. ओके, सो 2 2 जा 4. वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू, नॉट एडिंग. ठीक है, सो 2 2 जा 4. तो हियर नाउ इट्स 4 ऑक्सीजन एंड हियर इट्स 2. सी यहाँ पे 2 ऑक्सीजन है और यहाँ पे भी 2 ऑक्सीजन है. सो ऑक्सीजन इज बैलेंस. नाउ the total chemical equation is balance. Okay, now see some more examples balancing of a chemical equation. Okay, Zn, what is this? Zinc. Okay, Zn is zinc. Zn plus HCl. HCl means what? Hydrochloric acid is equal to ZnCl2 plus H2. Now first you have to identify how many elements are present here. First element is zinc, Zn. Second element is hydrogen. Okay, third element is chlorine. So total 3 elements are present here. First is zinc, second is hydrogen, and third is chlorine. Now see, zinc, one zinc is present here, and here one zinc is present. Okay, now zinc is balanced. Now see the next one, hydrogen. Here one hydrogen is present and here 2 hydrogen is present. So we will write a 2 here. Okay, so hydrogen is balanced. Now see what about chlorine. Here 2 chlorine are present and here also 2 chlorine are present. Okay, so this equation is balanced now. Now see the next one, N2 plus H2. N2 is what? Nitrogen plus hydrogen gives NH3. And what is the meaning of this symbol? It means it's vice versa is true. Okay, if nitrogen and hydrogen form ammonia, then अगर हम लोग अमोनिया को फिर से इसको एज अ रिएक्टेंट यूज करें तो ये फिर से किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन. ठीक है, तो द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सिंबल इज इट्स वाइस वर्सेस ट्रू. ओके, अगर इन दोनों से ये फॉर्म हो रहा है तो अमोनिया से ये दोनों भी फॉर्म हो जाएगा. Okay, now see this equation is balanced or not. N2, 2 nitrogen and here only 1 nitrogen is present. Okay, and hydrogen, 2 hydrogen is present and here 3 hydrogen is present. Okay, then what to do? If you write a 2 here, then how many hydrogen is nitrogen is 2 nitrogen and here 2 nitrogen only. Okay, और hydrogen कितने हो जाएंगे, 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6 हाइड्रोजन. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 6 हाइड्रोजन करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 3 लगा देंगे. देन 3 2 जा 6. नाउ दिस इक्वेशन इज बैलेंस्ड. ओके, नाउ ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस and this. Okay, this equation is solved already solved. Okay, so leave this one. So this and this, these 4 equations are your homework question. Okay, you have to solve these 4 equation. Okay, and in case of any doubt, please write down in comment box. Thank you so much, class.